Honk is a 3-day festival celebrating street bands like March Madness Marching Band.
Are you telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
Goodwill that we experience in going to Honk, not only with our community of bandmates on the bus, but the warm reception that we were given in Austin and how we were able to exchange community with each other with our music was unbelievable.
But we can do it! We know how!
Until you're in a town like Austin where you have dozens of these bands and people roaming around, then it really hits you that this is something that's going on all across the U.S.
One of the coolest things was seeing bands from all over the country, from Rhode Island and from I think as far northeast as Rhode Island and as far northwest as Seattle. I think there was even a band from Canada, all converging on Austin.
Going back to Honk allows us to not only get closer as a band, but share that special little part of Lexington with people across the country.
We kick butt or ass, whichever you prefer.